Don't let a rusty old anchor hold you down. Let a nice looking one do it. Here's how. If you can't salvage the old shackle, we'll start with cutting it off. I'm using a grinder, but you can use bolt cutters. However, if you do use a grinder, make sure not to touch it afterwards because that thing gets blistering hot. Next, I'm going to clean my chain with some purple power. Don't get this on your clothes, this stuff could eat through an elephant. Place the chain inside the bucket and let it sit. Now it's time to sand down the anchor. I'm using 80 grit because it's the most abrasive I have. It should work alright. When you're sanding, it's nice to get all the stains off of it, but your main goal is to get it as smooth as possible. If y'all want to learn more about fishing and boating, or just want to have an extra brain to help you out with your fishing journey, subscribe to the channel. I post every week. Continue sanding until everything is smooth. Once you're done with that, blow off all the dust, get ready to hang your anchor. Now when it comes to spraying, I like to hang my anchor, that way I can spin it as I spray to get an even coat. Spray in small spurts, covering one little portion at a time. Man, does that look fresh. And it was cheap too. All the materials cost me less than $15, and I had enough left over to do another 10 anchors after that. I won't, but I could. Put the chain in a bucket of water to rinse it off. Now let's connect it back to the anchor. Run the shackle through the hole of the anchor. Put the chain link through the shackle and thread the bolt through the chain link. Let's head over to the other side. My anchor rope came with an eyelet, so I'll just connect it the same way. If your rope doesn't have an eyelet, click on this video right here and I'll teach you how to tie the perfect rope to chain knot in less than a minute.